Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it is finally the Valorant update. I've been waiting because in US and stuff they've got the update way sooner. It is 9:34. As you can see, I'm wearing the same hoodie. It is because the same day I'm recording the Five Nights at Freddy's number part 3. I may be posting it today or tomorrow. I don't know which I'm posting first. So if you're seeing this one before I posted part 3, I decided to post the Val one first. If you're seeing it after I posted the Five Nights at Freddy's one first. Basically, it is the same day. I recorded that at like 3:30, and it is 9:30. I've been up the entire time waiting for this update, and yeah, it's just been crazy. So finally, on Riot, and it says updates. So I'm just gonna let this update. We'll be back. Okay, so we're just gonna be looking through the Valorant patch notes 4.0. So basically, you all know the new character. I will be maining her compared to like anyone else. She is the duelist, and I saw the abilities and watch gameplay. I will be maining her. And here is the stuff. Weapons. I think this is the bundle. There's additions to the maps. Competitive is restarting, I think. Yeah. And then obviously the new agents. So the weapon updates. So basically the melee weapon is getting easier. Spectre was my favorite gun in the game. Is getting nerfed for like long range. I think short range is the same. Area is the same as long range. Guardian, I never use Guardian, so I don't really care about that. Okay, as I was saying, the Guardian I never really used, and the Bulldog I just started using. It actually is a buff, I think. So the map updates bind, so this is how it was before. This is after, so they just made that thing smaller. Okay, makes sense. And the second part added this whole thing. I knew there was a big addition in Breeze. It was like it was this crate. That was pretty big. And then here, what is the difference? What's the difference? I can't really tell. Wait, can you go up there? I never really thought of it. So here they're adding the boxes. Competitive. As the map and agent pool has increased, it becomes increasingly difficult for new players to effectively learn and play Valorant. Okay. Wow. Okay. Known yet beloved issues. So the Wildjoy. So basically, the Killjoy banner, calling card, whatever you want to call it, gets stretched out the wrong way when you're loading into a game. And yeah, so basically that is all of it. Let's check. And did it just finish? Yes, it did. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we click play, and we just gotta load into it. So basically, I have 5,500 Valorant points. And what I'm gonna do is not decided yet. I know 1,000 is gonna go like Neon. I'm actually so hyped to main her. Looks like a really fun main, and looks like I'll be good for, because I'm a mix of Jet, Reyna, and Viper main. I'm those three. Like I was at the moment, and she's basically the three of them. Basically, kind of. Not okay, like Valorant Disruption, Episode 4, Act 1. Neon, new duelist agent. Too proud to back down from any scrap. Manila native Neon charges ahead to catch enemies off guard and strike them down with blinding speed. New battle pass disrupt your skin game. More speed, more style, and all the same stopping power. Get your hands on the Hydro Dip schema and velocity weapon skins in this new battle pass. Looks good. Protocol, the future of weaponry. Enhance your arsenal with weaponized perfection. Warning, platform may interface with users to ensure compliance with protocol standards. New ranked act, aim for greatness. Here comes the climb. We've refreshed ranks and set the stage for some fresh competition. Are you ready? Get started. We're in chamber. Wow. So here we are. Neon, let's activate this. I could get her right now. Let's see the gun skin. Let's see everything actually. So this is Phoenix. Nice as Zappy spray. This card looks pretty nice. I think I'll put it on for like the first few days. Electrifying. pretty good, but I wouldn't put it on. I like haunted better. Yeah, makes sense. The hero, obviously. It matches my gun a lot. Neon. Zoomer. Calling card is also pretty cool. Oh yeah, actually it was really cool. And live wire frenzy. Very nice. Does look like a frenzy agent. So yeah, I could get right now for 1000. I will see, maybe. Okay, no disruptions again. So basically, we have the battle pass. The first skin you get is really good actually. It's a rainbow on white. The shoe hydrodrop is so hard to pronounce. Okay, it's pretty cool. Oh, schema is actually really nice. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. What? Oh, nice. Boomer, what? Oh, this is cool, Taki. I like the gun skins. Yeah, nice. Spectre has to be. And then, ready for the knife, guys. I haven't even seen it. Oh my gosh. Wait. I think I have actually. Okay. I have actually seen this. It just spins around over and over. That's amazing. You guys want to see my item shop? It's not really good. Sentinels of Light. That's really cool, but I already have the skin for it, so I don't think so. Let's check. 9,900. That is expensive. Does it look really good? Oh wait, there's different colors. Nice different colors. Okay, so what you get in here? How many items? There's 8 items. So you get the Protocol 781A Sheriff. By itself is 2.4k. Spectre, Freedom Bundles and Hive, cool. Bulldog skin, Phantom. Yeah, that's Freedom Bundle, this Freedom Bundle, this Freedom Bundle. I'll tell you straight, this is not worth the price, not worth 9,900. How are you saving 6,000? I don't understand. But yeah, this is not worth the price, but if you like the stuff, then you can go for it, because it has a lot of stuff. Maybe just off the price. And Odin glitch pop is like huge, like the amount of stuff on it. Same as, yeah, Sentinels. I really like this. I may get it. Let's get the battle pass 1000. We have 5,500. Body drop to 4,500 purchase. Let's go. We got the frenzy. Yeah, I don't have any frenzy skin, which is good. Show owned only. And it's actually a really nice 4A skin. So yeah, we have almost every gun. No, okay, well, majority less guns have skins, I think. So yeah, new agent. I'm not gonna be using 1000 straight away on Neon, because I'm not gonna be playing right now. But if I do end up playing, oh, it's a new weekly. Wow. If I do end up playing, if you guys want gameplay, just let me know, drop a comment, and I will have Neon by then, or I'll just spend 1000. And I hope my item shops become good soon, instead of like being bad like 24/7. So if it comes good, I want to get a knife. I definitely need a knife. Something like I need anything basically. Like the new knife that's coming. I think it is the championship knife. That would be really cool. I'll probably want that. So I may save. And it's really nice that the competitive did reset. My last rank, I will admit, is, you can see for yourself, Iron 2. And the reason for that is I'm way better than Iron 2. I'm probably like a bronze 1, 2, or maybe even a silver 1. Maybe that's the highest. Alright. So the reason for that is because when I first started playing, I was playing really bad. I lost like every match, and it used to be way worse than I am compared to now. So yeah, I hopefully will be a bronze or a silver this time, because it's a chance to like redeem myself. So that is the new Valorant update. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am actually really happy with this update. Maybe not the bundle. Bundle was quite disappointing, but the new hero, new agent, the new battle pass, and just in general is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what next video you want me to do. So yeah, bye.